Welcome to the review source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best duffel bags for European travel, ranked by price, performance, and features. Whether you're packing for cobblestone streets, tight overhead bins, or fast-moving train platforms, these bags will keep you nimble, organized, and ready for anything. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Travel Pack. We kick things off with the Cotopaxi Allpa 35L Travel Pack, a bag that blurs the line between a backpack and a duffel. It's one of the most organized bags in this roundup, and perfect for travelers hopping between European cities. The Allpa uses a clamshell design, much like a suitcase, which lets you open it flat and pack each side separately. Inside, there are mesh compartments to keep clothing, shoes, and gear neatly divided. Travelers often say it feels like having a mini closet with you, making it a joy when you're packing quickly in small hotel rooms or bustling hostels. For carry comfort, Cotopaxi designed it with padded backpack straps and a supportive hip belt. So even if you've got a heavy load, it distributes weight evenly across your body. A major plus for European trips is that you can also stow the straps away, creating a clean exterior that slips easily into overhead compartments without straps getting caught. The fabric is highly weather-resistant TPU-coated polyester and nylon, and Cotopaxi even includes a rain cover for when you're caught in a sudden downpour in Paris or Amsterdam. Multiple reviewers praised how durable it felt after months of travel, noting that the zippers held up even under heavy loads. Still, if you want a duffel alternative that gives you serious organization, reliable weatherproofing, and supportive carry comfort, the Cotopaxi Allpa 35L is hard to beat. Number 2. Thule Chasm 40L Duffel Bag. Next up is the Thule Chasm 40L Duffel Bag, often called the tank of travel duffels. Thule is known for making rugged outdoor gear, and this bag lives up to that reputation. Made with heavy-duty laminated tarpaulin fabric, the Chasm shrugs off rain, dust, and dirt. The base is padded and water-resistant, so you can set it down on wet train platforms without worry. Owners love how easy it is to wipe clean, making it ideal for trips where conditions might get messy. One of the highlights of this bag is its huge U-shaped opening. Unlike mini duffels that force you to dig through a dark tube, the Chasm lays open wide, making packing and unpacking incredibly fast. Inside, there are mesh compartments to keep clothing, shoes, and gear neatly divided. Travelers often say it feels like having a mini closet with you, making it a joy when you're packing quickly in small hotel rooms or bustling hostels. At 40 liters, it's carry-on friendly for most European airlines, though some pointed out it's slightly heavier than ultra-light options. Users also mentioned that while the durability is excellent, built-in organization is minimal. You'll want to pair it with packing cubes. Overall, the Thule Chasm 40 is perfect for those who prioritize rugged toughness, easy access, and all-weather durability. If your European trip involves outdoor adventures, or you just want peace of mind with a bag that can take a beating, this is the one. Number 3. The Baboon to the Moon Go Bag Small. In the third spot, we've got the Baboon to the Moon Go Bag Small, a stylish yet functional duffel that has become a favorite among travelers who want something a little more eye-catching. This duffel is carry-on approved at 40 liters, and it's made with a water-resistant, heavy-duty shell that stands up to splashes and drizzle. The design is bold and modern, with bright colorways that make it stand out on the luggage carousel, or just look cool on your shoulder. Inside, the Go Bag keeps things practical. There are 2 internal mesh zippered compartments, which travelers found extremely helpful for keeping smaller items organized. One reviewer noted that it was perfect for separating clean clothes from dirty laundry during a week-long trip through Spain. The trade-offs? It still has a big open cavity in the main compartment, so while the mesh helps, packing cubes are still recommended. And the bold style might not be for everyone, especially if you want a stealthy, understated bag. But for travelers who want style without sacrificing functionality, the Baboon Go Bag delivers a fun yet dependable travel companion. Number 4. The Peak Design Travel Duffel. At number 4, we have the Peak Design Travel Duffel, a bag that screams premium quality and thoughtful design. Built with weatherproofed 600D nylon canvas and ultra-durable zippers, this duffel is engineered for travelers who want to invest in long-lasting gear. Peak Design is famous for their camera bags, and that same attention to detail shows here. At 35 liters, the size is carry-on compliant across virtually all European airlines. What sets it apart is how well it integrates with Peak Design's modular packing ecosystem. If you use their packing cubes, tech pouches, or camera inserts, this bag works seamlessly with them, creating a tailored packing system. The duffel itself has multiple carry options, top handles, side grab points, and removable padded shoulder straps, giving you flexibility no matter how you prefer to carry it. Users raved about the smoothness of the zippers, the premium finish, and the sleek minimalist look. The structure is more rigid than soft duffels, which makes it feel more like a refined piece of luggage. Some reviewers mentioned that while they loved the polished aesthetic, it didn't quite compress as easily into tight spaces compared to softer bags. And of course, it comes with a higher price tag. Still, for travelers who value premium craftsmanship, durability, and modular versatility, the Peak Design Travel Duffel is a fantastic investment. Number 5. Osprey Transporter 40 Duffel Bag. Rounding out our list is the Osprey Transporter 40, a classic adventure-ready duffel that's just as comfortable in airports as it is on mountain trails. The Transporter is made from a rugged TPU-coated nylon shell, making it extremely water-resistant and durable. Reviewers loved how it handled sudden showers or wet bus station floors without letting moisture seep inside. The duffel also has lockable zippers, multiple grab handles, and an internal mesh pocket for smaller essentials. At 40 liters, it's sized perfectly for European carry-on rules and has just enough space for a week or two of travel. Many reviewers described it as a workhorse, with one saying it survived trips across multiple continents with no signs of wear. The trade-offs? The design is a little more outdoorsy than urban chic, and while there is some interior organization, it's fairly basic compared to something like the Cotopaxi Allpa 35. But if you want a straightforward, durable, and comfortable adventure duffel, the Osprey Transporter 40 is a proven winner. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best duffel bags for European travel. If you want maximum organization with backpack comfort, grab the Cotopaxi Allpa 35. For heavy-duty toughness, go with the Thule Chasm 40. If bold styling is your thing, the Baboon to the Moon Go Bag is perfect. Peak Design offers premium craftsmanship and modular packing, while Osprey's Transporter is the rugged, all-arounder workhorse. Tell us in the comments where you're heading, Paris, Prague, or the Portuguese coast, and which bag you'd take with you. If this breakdown helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel gear picks. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.